Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm okay and learn the easy way. Now, today we'll be learning HTML and only the basic structure of HTML. So sit back, relax, and learn, not enjoy. Okay, now let's generate the HTML code. So let's see. I press Shift and 1 for the exclamation mark then tab and the code is generated. So now let's explain what each line of code means. Okay. The first line of code, that is a doc type HTML. That means this tells the browser that the document is written in HTML5. Okay, let's add the pseudocode to explain it. Line 1 to explain that and that for HTML. To explain, you put this opening, then the exclamation mark and two dashes, and it closes. So DOCTYPE HTML, this is the browser that the document is HTML5. Okay, now let's go through. Let's explain the HTML lang is equals to n. That means this is the root element of the page. The language is set to English. Okay, let's see. Okay. This is the root. This is the root element of an HTML document. Okay, and the language is set now, and the language is set to English. Okay, now for the head. The head. The head. The head section contains information about the page, not visible to users. Yeah, contains metadata. Okay, that links to external resources. Yeah, you can say that, or you can say the head section contains information about the page, not visible to users. You can see that it's only in the cloud or whatever that. So the meta chassis UTF-8. Let's explain that. The meta. Ooh. Okay. It allows the page to display all characters correctly. It allows page to display characters correctly. Yeah. And then to meta name viewpoint, the title. Let's go to the title. Okay, this is the It said this is the meta name, viewport contents, width, device width, initial scale. Yeah, it makes the website responsive to all the devices. Yeah, but you have to add another code in CSS to make it more compatible with every other device. Let's go. Title. It says the name shown on the browser tab. The title. Set. No. Set the name shown. Okay. Name shown. Okay. Browser tab. That's the title. Now the head element. Let's take. Let's check the head. Now the head. The the head tags. We already explained that. Not the head. Or we are supposed to explain the body. Body. Yeah, body. The body section contains the content of the HTML document. It contains the content of the HTML document or the content that you see on the website. It's enclosed in the body. Yeah, the body tags. Then the body. Let's go. Let's add some tags in the body. Let's start with the H1. Yeah, the heading. H, that is for the heading. But we have from H1 to H6. Let's see. H1. We'll cover them all. Let's call it LOL. We'll cover in the next video. I'll explain all the headings from H1 to H6, how their size, yeah, how you can use them. Yeah. And also let's add the P and give it some content. This is a paragraph in the body of the HTML content. Just some. H1 is the main heading. Yeah. Let's see. Let's put that here. H1. This is the heading element. But let's call it, this is the main heading. When you say it's a heading element, we cover all the headings. So H1 is the main heading. P, yeah, it's just a paragraph of text. P, this is just this paragraph of text. Yeah, simple. Now, okay. Now, as you can see, I think we left this. For your HTML, you have to add the .html. Then you can add the style.css. But today we are not adding the style. We'll add the style next time. Alright. And for more cleaner code, you can add this lines to show where the pseudocode and the code itself to separate them, so that you can have a clean code. All right, there we are. coming up. Yeah, we're done. Now the code is cleaner and period. Okay, now that you have finished writing the code, let's run it and see how it looks in our browser. All right. So let's press F5 and choose. Yeah, I like using Chrome, so I choose Chrome. And let's see. Okay, let's see how it looks in Chrome. Yeah, just a second. Just a second, and we'll see. Okay. Yeah. Now that is our document looks in Chrome. We have the hello world, and this hello world, that's the H1, and this is a paragraph in the body of the HTML document. Remember the paragraph? We added the paragraph. All right. Now this is how it looks. Now I think we're done. That is the basic structure of an HTML document. Subscribe for more coding tutorials and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.